Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making mini cakes. Well, not this many, but cakes that you can keep to yourself or share with another person. So keep it locked here and find out how you can make mini cakes of your own. So the cake we're making today is a vanilla cake with a hint of lemon. It all starts with the batter. I scaled out my ingredients, starting with the wet ingredients. Milk, some fresh lemon juice to go in the milk. Essentially, you're making a buttermilk here. I also threw in the rind of 1 lemon into the sugar. The sugar will absorb the oil from the lemon peel in order to distribute that lemony flavor throughout the cake. Then we'll mix all our dry ingredients together and set those aside for later. We'll be using the creaming method when making our cake today. The creaming method is basically when you mix butter and sugar together. The granules of sugar create little air pockets for the butter, and thus giving our cake the fluffy texture we all love. Once your butter is creamed, add your eggs one at a time. Once you add your second egg, you can add your vanilla at the same time. Now here we'll be alternating dry, wet, dry. So we'll put half of the dry mixture in and make sure that is well blended before you add the milk. Then it's time to add our buttermilk. It will look lumpy because the lemon juice will have curdled the milk. Make sure you blend that well before you add the last half of your dry ingredients. Be sure to scrape the sides of the bowl, and to avoid overmixing, you can finish mixing by hand. So I used a half tray that I greased and lined with parchment paper, and I poured all the batter into the tray. Then I used an offset spatula to spread the batter into the corners. Because this cake is spread into a thin layer, it won't take long to bake, roughly about 15 minutes. Once the cake was cool, I removed it from the tray and set the cake on the counter. Then I used a 3 3/4 inch circle to cut into the sheet cake. Set the cakes spread out individually. Avoid stacking them until you're going to work with them. For this cake, I made a simple American buttercream. The recipe will be in the description box below. Now it's time to put our cakes together. video serves as an inspiration for you to make your own mini cakes. Now that you've got the basics down, the possibilities are endless. You can make whatever flavor you want and add whatever you want to it. These are fun for any occasion or no occasion at all. Anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel so you can keep up with all my latest content. Hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.